Hey guys, Mr. Tepper again. Okay, today's mission is this. We're looking to share with each other creative things that we've done. Right behind me is something called a suet feeder, and I had one on a wood pole and that fell the other day, sending me tumbling down the hill in my yard. It was kind of funny if you were there to see it. Besides for the shoulder being a little dinged up, I laughed pretty good. So I had to redo this. I had to get a pole. I had to hang this what's called a baffle. I had to I made the top out of like scrap brass parts and other things like that. So it was kind of really good. It was nice. It was cool. It was creative, and it was productive. Here's another birdhouse that I made years ago. That was really cool. I really like it. It holds like 5 gallons of seed to it. So here's the task for today. I'd like you guys to share with me and share with 2 classmates something you've done that's creative. It could be a drawer. It could be some art you've done. It could be something you've built. I know someone in your class welds, which is pretty cool. So the task I'm looking to send out to you guys today is share with me and share with 2 classmates something creative you've done, something artistic or creative, something that you've produced that you're proud of. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys do. Can't wait to see you guys back at JJMS. Hang in there. Talk to you soon. Bye.